forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. And today I'm going to be doing a video on a natural skincare routine just for my face. You can use it on your body as well. And if you watch any of my previous videos, you know I like to just try to stick to the most natural things. Don't put a lot of stuff on my face or in my hair. So yeah, if you can't put it in your body, don't put it on your body. So today I'm only going to be using baking soda. Oops, spilling. Regular baking soda, and I'm going to mixing it with water and try to make it as a paste. And then I'm going to be using, well, not using, but featuring the Radiance skincare system. So yeah, I'll be right back after I mix up the my paste. Okay, I'm back with my paste. All I did was use baking soda and water. I didn't do no measurements, just mix them both together until you get a paste. And don't forget to wet your face first before you do it. You can use a rag or whatever, but I'm going to use my hands. Most people do it in the shower, but I'm just going to do it like this. Sometimes I do it like this, and I usually use a rag, but today I'm going to be using the Duvolle Radiance Skin Care System, and I'm going to use the exfoliating brush. It comes with a cleansing brush, a body brush. I haven't used the body brush yet, or the pumice stone, and you can use it on your feet. I wouldn't use that on my face. And the good thing about this brush, well, all of them, they're soft. Most of these things like this with different companies, they be really hard. And that won't work, especially using baking soda. Baking soda already kind of gritty, so that would make it even worse. And make sure it takes 4 AA batteries, so it does not come with batteries. And if you're interested in this, I will be putting the link down below where you can purchase, and a 70% off discount code too. So don't forget that. So I'm just going to turn it on. It's not really loud or anything like that. Just stick it in there. You can use the brush to do it on there, or you can just wipe it on your face with your hands. And you don't have to move it, you can. This actually is my first time using a brush, but not my first time using the baking soda. You can do it over your mouth too, because it helps remove dead skin, the baking soda. And it helps remove the dark spots. You can use mixed apple cider vinegar with it too if you want. That helps with the dark spots. But make sure you dilute the apple cider vinegar with a lot of water. And I'm going to post a picture of my skin before I did it and after. Okay, if you have really oily skin, that'll help too, especially with it being hot in the summertime. So you can just go over it, and you can do this as long as you want. And it's good if you use makeup. You can do this before and after you apply your makeup. And this is what it looked like. It looks so filthy. Like I don't wash my face, but it's really get deep down into your pores, so that's good. And after you use the baking soda, your skin is going to be so silky. That's whether if you do it on your face or your skin. So I'm going to rinse this off and come back and show you how clear it looks. 1 second. Okay, so this is what it looked like after rinsing off the baking soda. And my skin looked a lot clearer than the beginning of the video. I have really oily skin. So the baking, yeah, after the baking soda, I just use shea butter if your skin feel a little dry. But yeah, if you're interested in the Duvolle Radiance Skin Care System, don't forget to check out the links below, and it's going to be a discount code there for 70% off. And yeah, if you're new, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope this helps someone. If you have sensitive skin, you can use the baking soda. You don't have to use a lot of product. Yeah, and it helps with dark spots, oily skin, removing makeup and everything. So yeah, thank you for watching my video.